So what we're looking at today is a Arden Selections ProFoam pillow. It's a replacement pillow for your chair, or if you have a seat or outdoor, it doesn't really matter. You can use pretty much anything you want to. It's approximately 20 by 20, the size. You can see it's a nice thick foam, super comfortable, super soft, nice padding. I love this color on this. It's absolutely beautiful. Let me show you the back. These are the ties. So if you have a chair with the back with ties, you can use that. So it's super simple to use and install. I'm just gonna put them in my wicker chair and just use them here. So I'm just gonna pop it right in just like you see here. Just like that. You don't have to use a tie, you can just have it just like that, and super comfortable and super thick, as you can see here. Just wanna show you the color, how it looks. Material is nice and soft. Definitely super nice. You can use it again, outdoor, indoor. It doesn't really matter. They're just a nice high quality item. You can see how thick they are. I definitely highly recommend these. If you're looking for a good cushion, I like the color quite a bit. So that's what I definitely recommend, this cushion for sure.